Hello traders, welcome back to AM Trading Tips, your go-to place for smart tools, winning strategies, and everything about trading. If you're serious about trading and want tools that actually work, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce a powerful auto trading tool, a Forex EA that's getting a lot of attention in the trading. Let's see how it really performs and whether it's worth using. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Forex trading involves financial risks, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, and only use funds you can afford to lose. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more trading tools and strategies. Now, let's dive in. So, let's talk about this EA. This EA is an auto trading robot that runs 24/5 without needing any manual work. It's built with multiple smart trading strategies and a market analysis engine. Here's what it can do. Predict market trends before opening a trade. Keep analyzing the market even after entering a trade. Use supply and demand strategy to decide when to enter and exit. Adjust itself to work with any broker or account type, ECN, cent, raw spread, standard, you name it. It supports up to 20 currency pairs, including major ones like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and more. It works best on the 1-hour time frame in MetaTrader 4. Now I'm going to show you the full backtest report of this expert advisor on the Euro USD pair using the 1-hour time frame. Let's see how it performed with a starting balance of just $500. So here's the highlight. This EA made a net profit of $883.47, nearly doubling the account. It had a profit factor of 2.15, which means it made more than twice the profit compared to the losses. Out of 375 trades, a massive 78.67% were winners, and the long trades were outstanding, with a 95% win rate. The largest profit from a single trade was $43.44. And the average win was around $5.59. But let's also talk about the risk. The maximum drawdown was 34.53%, which means at some point the account went down by 34.53%, over $380. Also, the EA experienced up to 11 consecutive losses, so it's important to use proper money management when running this live. So overall, this EA shows strong profitability with high win rates, especially in long positions. But like any strategy, managing your risk is key to long-term success. Want to test it out? The download link is in the video description. But start with a demo account first before using real money. Here are some tips before you start. Always test any EA in a demo account before using it on a live account. Adjust the risk settings according to your comfort level. Stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, share this video with your trader friends or community. Let's all grow and win together. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried any auto trading tools before? What's your experience? Thanks so much for watching. Keep learning, stay focused, and trade smart. I'll see you in the next one.